Want the WaveWriter EA for a lot less? Let's talk about how to get it cheaper. First, what it is. WaveWriter is a hybrid grid scalper for gold, built for MetaTrader 5. It trades XAUUSD using 4 independent strategies in one robot. Support and resistance, pullbacks, breakouts, and reversals. So it stays active across different market conditions. It reads 3 timeframes at once. That means it never trades against the bigger trend. Its grid recovery is a safety net, not a blind martingale. The lot sizes never escalate, and the spacing widens as it goes. And it's wrapped in 3 layers of account protection: drawdown protection, all-time high protection, and a dynamic exit for sudden moves. The live results back it up. On a verified live signal, 49% growth in just 8 weeks, with only 7.8% maximum drawdown and a smooth, near-linear curve. It's earned solid 5-star reviews from buyers since release. Now, here's the part that matters. Buy WaveWriter direct from the MQL5 marketplace, and you pay full price. Buy it through cheaper Forex, and you get the exact same EA for far less. Same official license, same developer, same automatic updates. The only difference is the price. How? We buy licenses in bulk and pass the savings straight on to you. That's genuine MQL5 access. Never a cracked or modified copy. You can save up to 70%. Pay with crypto and you save an extra 20% on top. We'll even install it for you. It takes minutes. And you're covered. Full refund anytime before activation. Zero risk. Over 28,000 traders have bought from us since 2019. We're rated excellent on Trustpilot. So if you want WaveWriter, get the genuine EA and keep the difference. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Trade responsibly. Past results don't guarantee future returns. Grab WaveWriter cheaper at Cheaper Forex today.